problem. Our problem. Just be there for us. Yakapin mo lang kami. Ito yung kailangan namin. Wag mo, you don't have to solve the puzzle for us. Kasi mismo ma-solve yung mga utok, mga namin kasi naguguluhan din kami. So, sana nandito yung asawa ko. So, yun. Tsaka, always go back to the Lord talaga na minsan nakakalimutan, yung parang dahil sa pagod, nakakalimutan nyo ng mag-quiet time with the Lord. So just go back to Him and He will refill your cup. And, ano pa ba? The real battle when you become a parent is at home. So protect your home, protect your marriage. Through prayer and also through help from kung sino man yung leaders nyo sa Connect Group yung binasa kami, accountability partner. So if you feel like hindi yun na kaya, go to a person that you will trust. Don't keep it to yourself and share it to others para mahanap ka. Huwag niyo sarilihin yung problema. That's all. Congratulations, and we are excited to meet another baby girl in the
Thank you so much, Kakay. Para tayong nasa parenting seminar. Ano, ready ka na ba, Jeffrey? Sinasabi ko si Angel, ikaw daw eh.
Dapat si Angel.
Ay, yan na.
Sarap ng tulog mo ko eh. Ang sabi nila, don't stress your husband. Ang sabi nila, kung nagkakabrak ka na, huwag mong gisingin yung asawa mo. Ano mga Angel?
Bro, nasusulat ba yan?
Oo, nasusulat.
Nakadulat ka eh.
Yung kasama mo yung mag-drive. Hindi, nakasulat yun. Pero totoo. Parang nagsasalita. Since God is in your lives, all you do is just take action. Galaw na. I mean, do what is good, do what is right, and do what's appropriate in God's kingdom. It doesn't mean I have dalawa yung anak ko sa expert na yun. Expert lang sa pag-gawa. We're also starting family. So, kunti lang yung advice eh. Challenges may come, but rewards are more greater than the challenges. Yung, sabi nga nung song nila Pencil, small things won't bother you. So, it will just pass behind your ear, but the reward is, the reward is more rewarding in Christian life. So, taking kids, leading them up, it's just depends to you. Some may advise, some may just, it's your kid. You may find someone advising like this, like that, but it's just according what to go through, because that's how you lead your family. Listen to the advice I made, but it's your personal choice. How you lead your family. Stop not going back because God is in your life. So, nothing to do, just follow.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, Gabriel.
Thank you, Jeffrey. Parang gusto kong marinig naman yung side ng ng wife.
Angel! Maraming salamat.
Taas ang bandera. Hello! At lang sa'yo while naka-active labor ka na. Di ba sinasabi niya?
Wala ka pala sa context na eh.
Pero si Jeff, nag-enjoy na siya. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin siya dinidisturb.
Nasa list pa daw kasi.
Oo.
Chicken
Ma-advise ko naman kayo yung physically, normal yan as mother na kakayanin niya physically. But don't forget to support her emotionally, mentally. Kasi mas importante mentally. Kasi yung physically, kakayanin namin yan. Pero postpartum, marami kaming may experience na mentally breakdown. Kaya, ang sabi ko kay Balong, yun yung unahin mo, i-support sa kanya. Oo, pag napapansin mong tahimik na siya, i-hug mo lang siya. Oo, tapos, yes. Or, yun. Tapos, before siya manganak, i-sure ni Balong na yung love niyo is strong, mas stronger. Kasi once na nandiyan na si baby, yun nga maraming mga struggles, challenges. Kasi parang nandun na lahat yung struggles. Parang kay Juliet, nag-start siya na mag-adjust. Lalo sa kanya first baby niyo. So, yun, ang importante talaga yun. Hindi ko siya iwan. Emotionally and mentally.
Thank you. Salamat sa explanation, Angel. Alright, sino pang parents ang hindi nagsasalita dito?
Michael.
Oh, ikaw ang tinutulo ni Dasil, sorry.
Yan, marami yung advice.
Hi, congratulations first of all to Balong and Juliet. That will be wonderful journey yan kasi first, hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo. Pero don't worry, you can always ask for advices lalo na sa community natin. May madaming mga parents. Siguro yung pinaka-advice ko lang sa experience ko is walk together. Walang mauna, walang maiiwan, walk together. Kasi yung trabaho ng parents, gumagaan pag dalawa kayo. Tapos pag if you are heated, which means minsan may mga panahon na physically pati ka, parang exhausted ka, or may mga times na angry ka, so hindi ka na makadesisyon. Yung advice ko lang is pause. Don't say something yet when you're angry, especially nasa high yung emotion mo. Think twice and pray for it. Kasi if you already drop those words, napakasakit yan. It will, masyadong matagal mawala yan. So, yun lang. Saka, congratulations. All the best sa journey, tsaka sa delivery, maging normal lang. Yes.
Thank you, Michael. Sina G. Sige, pag nakita natin sina G or the sila. Mel? Yung... Ay, Jay, ikaw na ang representative natin.
Yung advice ko, alagaan mo na mabuti si Ed, pakainin mo ng healthy, anything na mag-stir up nung, anong tawag nun? Nung milk sa breast niya, pakainin mo yan. Kasi kapag nagbe-breastfeed yung baby, ang sarap ng tulog mo. So, yan yung advice ko sa'yo, bro. So, as much as possible. Pero, dumating sa point na wala pang lumalabas na milk from the breast, ikaw yung mag-sacrifice na magtimpla ng milk, ikaw yung gigising, pero masaya naman. Yun nga.
Thank you, kuya.
Next daw sila GR and Jack. Yes, sakto!
So, congratulations on your first baby girl. I hope being a parent will be a part that will be very and adventurous part of your life, especially as new mom and dad. And I know na Kuya will be a good husband. I think na a good parenting starts with being a good husband, because yung mom, for me, it's matic na we carried the baby for 9 months and then gave birth to a wonderful kid. So I think, Kuya, this time it's your part naman to be a good mom, to be a good husband, and to be a good dad to your baby. Just healthy baby, blessings to you both, and happy family.